How do you identify areas where agents need additional coaching or support?
That's a good question. I think a lot of it starts with data, just different reporting. Speech and text analytics is a great tool, but a lot of it starts with data trending in scores. Or another big thing that we were really getting to is escalation, and how often are you having escalations and what kind of support do you need there. Speech and text analytics is great because you can identify certain topics that they're really struggling with. So, for example, are they struggling with return mattresses and those type of calls? And how can we actually help them get into understanding what that process looks like and how you can help a customer maybe find a different mattress that's a better fit for them, or do they really need to return it? So I think that's a great tool. I think looking at CSAT scores, if you have low CSAT scores, you can go in and you can review surveys and see what the customers are actually saying. Are they saying this person was not nice? Are they saying that they weren't knowledgeable? Reading the surveys gives you a lot of details. And then, of course, like listening to quality. What is the quality team saying that the agent is missing? And then I think the most important thing that you should never miss is having that conversation with the agent and helping them self identify. What do they feel is going on? What are they missing? Where do they feel they need help? And I think that should always be the starting place. Data tells a good story, but you don't want to make assumptions. But you always want to talk to your employees first. And I shouldn't say just agents, because this is your leaders, managers, directors, whoever you're talking to. You always want to have a conversation first and be open, honest, and direct, and
Mm,
help them self-identify before you start throwing any of that at them.
that makes sense. And great answer. I think data is a very interesting part of managing a call center, and maybe it's not something that is inherent developed skill that one would get from being a call center agent.